has been conducted, and the Nigerian police has revealed that he died through drowning. Because when this started, people were saying that the nanny and the cook might have killed the child because they never wanted Davido to be with Joma. Some were even saying that Eniola Badmus was the one who gave the nanny the order to kill Davido's child. She doesn't like Choma Roland. She hates Choma Roland. That is why she told the nanny and the cook to kill Davido's child, then dump his body at the swimming pool to make it look as if he died through drowning. But the results coming out, or the news coming out of the Nigerian police is that the child got drowned, died by drowning, and this should not be the blame. The nanny went out to make a phone call. This should be the blame of Davido. Davido should be the one to take all the blame. He bought a house, or he built a house and built a backyard built a pool at the backyard of the house, and he could not put a protective net across the swimming pool, or he could not put a curvature across the swimming pool. Since as he had a 3-year-old child who cannot swim, or he could not hire a swimmer to teach his 3-year-old child how to swim, so that should in case he falls inside, he can get out. So this should not be the blame of the nanny to take only. This should be the blame for Davido and the nanny to take it 50-50. If they say the nanny is negligent, Davido too is negligent for building a house, buying a pool, or building a pool at the backyard of his house, and did not or could not build a curvature, a protective net across the swimming pool. So as it is, that nanny that nanny should take some of the blame. But what should the nanny do? It's not easy, like I said in one of my previous videos. It's not easy to take care of a hyperactive 3-year-old toddler. They throw tantrums all the time. It's so exhausting to take care or to be in charge of a hyperactive 3-year-old toddler. You guys don't know the plight of a nanny, so you guys should give that nanny a chance. And I want to talk about how Nigerians have been so concerned about the death of Davido's child. It is shocking why Nigerians are so concerned. When the poor lose their children, Nigerians don't care. Nigerians don't talk like this. The news of the poor losing their children don't take the internet by storm, the African internet by storm, or even Twitter by storm. But the news of the wealthy losing their child takes the entire Twitter by storm. It shows the class divide between the rich and the poor.